Hazy and humid with showers and storms on Thursday. Some could be strong to severe. Good Wednesday night, East Tennessee. David Aldridge, Captain Accurate here from the Captain Accurate Weather Command Center. Well, you can see from the ultimate Doppler radar, nothing to see here. We've had virtually clear skies for most of the day for the last couple of days. But as you can see over the last couple of hours on the ultimate Doppler radar, presented by Madlock Tire Service and Auto Repair, East Tennessee's #1 tire shop and auto repair since 1953. If you need a whole new set of tires, maybe you just need your tires rotated and you need an oil change, they'll be happy to serve you. Great website, madlocktireservice.com. They have 5 convenient locations. Tell them Captain Accurate sent you. Most of the thunderstorms you can see firing up across Alabama, west and southwest of Atlanta, and even some heat concerns back toward Memphis, but pretty quiet here, as it will remain so even tonight. We don't expect rain to reach it here, but we did see highs in the upper 80s as a general rule today. We hit 88 today. I was expecting 91. It was 90 in Sevierville, 89 Oak Ridge, but not quite the 91 I expected. We started off at 62. That was 7 degrees below normal, but we were 1 degree below average for the average high this time of year. Record high goes back to 1930. 104. Now, we did hit 89 in Oak Ridge, 87 La Follette, Middlesboro. It was 83 in Crossville today. Cumberland County, Jamestown 84, and Greenville 86 degrees, while it was 90 in Sevierville and Pigeon Forge. So that gives you a sample of how different temperatures can be in our region. We hit 91, they hit 91 Nashville, 92 Huntsville, and 90 in Jackson today. Our headlines talk about a few storms tomorrow. I left a 40% chance on the board, but this is going to be a continuing situation tomorrow night as well. So I'll emphasize strong to severe could occur at any time on Thursday, but there may be another round of it to reappear early Friday morning, particularly between the hours of 1 and 5 a.m. Friday. 1 a.m., 5 a.m. Friday. That's while I'm sleeping. Yeah, that could be, which is another reason to have the Captain Accurate weather app. But strong to severe will be watching that. Might be isolated in nature, but it's unsettled again with showers and storms again this weekend. That's just the way the cookie crumbles. That's how the raindrop falls. Storm Prediction Center, talking about some colors. We're talking dark green for us. That means isolated severe storms for almost the entire state. In fact, I could say the entire state of Tennessee for Thursday. This runs from 8 o'clock Thursday morning to 8 o'clock Friday morning. So it's like a caveat. It could also include the stuff that comes down from the north on Thursday night, Friday morning. That's why you'll see places like Columbus, Cincinnati, and parts of eastern Kentucky under the scattered severe storms that will be dropping down. As I've highlighted a little bit more in the blog, check that out tonight. You'll see that graphically, but I could tell you that we are fair game for an isolated strong storm that could be severe tomorrow with damaging wind and hail. Friday, that's not really the situation. We have the potential for some storms, but they may be just short of severe limits, but they may be on the strong side. We'll watch that closely for Friday as all of us are shaded the lightest shade of green. Now, let me show you the futurecast. You don't see much going on at 11 o'clock. You don't see much going on at 7 a.m. when you might be out the door tomorrow. But once we get into midday, looks like there's some convergence around the foothills and the Smokies, maybe a pop-up shower storm based on this modeling around midday tomorrow. Then maybe a few more pop up in the Southern Valley, perhaps up toward the Tri-Cities. I left a 40% chance. It's not everywhere. And most of what you see along that front is to the north around Louisville, Kentucky. But once you get into the late hours, we're talking about 1 in the morning, you see that yellow in Jackson, Kentucky? That's going to try and drop downward, and that may bring some showers and storms on the strong side while many of us wake up early on Friday morning. I'm talking pre-dawn hours. We keep it a little unsettled on Friday, Saturday, the same situation. It's one of those lather, rinse, repeat situations on Saturday morning, and then possibly again in the afternoon. But there'll be some breaks. I am confident we'll get breaks this weekend. It's not a total washout. It's summertime. It's what you kind of expect. Oh, the humidity's back. Oh, yeah, low temperatures tonight around 70. Normal low, average low, 69. The icky, sticky weather does return for the foreseeable future. Tonight, we're down to 70. Mostly clear to start. More clouds late. Variable winds 0 to 5 miles per hour. Dropping to 66 for Cumberland County, Crossville tonight. Could be some patches of fog. More on that on my blog. 70 in Oak Ridge, 68 Morristown, 65 for Sevierville. Overnight lows tonight, tomorrow morning. I'm aiming for a high of 91. I've been really short. Temperatures have been underperforming the last couple of days. But now that we have a southwest wind, maybe we get back to where I think we could be, 91. I hope to be around 91 tomorrow. Hazy and humid with showers and storms on the move. Now everybody gets into the low 90s. I've got 92 for Newport, 86 for Sevierville. That's a big difference. 86 for La Follette, and only 85 for Crossville. So it's going to vary from mid to upper 80s, even low 90s, but you'll see there's a swath of low 90s from the valley down toward the southern valley and up toward Morristown, Hamlin County. Looking ahead to the Captain Accurate Weather Authority forecast. For Knoxville, East Tennessee, 40% chance tomorrow, 60% chance Friday. And again, it could very well be 60% tomorrow night in the wee hours of your Friday morning. 88 on Saturday, 60% chance. And I think most of that's in the afternoon, still maintaining that expectation. There could be a few showers in the morning, but most of it's in the late afternoon, early evening for Saturday. Then 40% chance Sunday. Hot on Monday like a firecracker on 90. And I can't rule out one of those little isolated, spotty storms Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday with highs generally in the upper 80s. By the way, you can keep track of it all using the Captain Accurate Weather app. If you're not familiar with it, it's a free app that you can find at the App Store, Google Play. It has Pete Michaels traffic, the best, by far and away, the best traffic reporter in Knoxville and East Tennessee. He's on the app, and you can get his traffic reports just by tapping on his little rectangle on the app. But just search the two words, Captain Accurate. You'll get my forecast. You'll get all the 7-day information. And of course, you'll get the weather alerts that come right to your phone and iPad as well. That's another beautiful thing. It comes and works very well on your iPad. My name is David Aldrich. Some people call me Captain Accurate. It's not easy being accurate, so weather doesn't surprise you. We'll see you here next time. Take care.